What's up everybody, my name is Jacco Vessels and a super welcome to Web Nomads, a place where you can learn to do all kinds of cool stuff online. And today we are going to cover how you can integrate Paystack. Paystack is a payment gateway right here in South Africa, and they also cover the whole of Africa. Very cool payment gateway. If you're on the fence of what payment gateway to go for, go with Paystack. They are very cool. They've got very low fees. They've got very cool functionality, very cool service. You name it, they've got it all. But later on that, I will show you guys a more in-depth video about Paystack and what you can actually do with Paystack and on every little feature and function they have. But today I'm going to show you how to simply integrate Paystack with Shopify in a couple of minutes. That's how easy it is. So before this video gets too long, I'm going to dig right into the video. So yeah, I want to show you guys my new little wireless headphones I got from a very cool online store called onemore.co.za. So if you're right here in South Africa, go check out their store. It's very cool. They've got all kinds of wireless headphones, noise cancellation, gaming headphones, all kinds of cool stuff for very good deals. So the link is in the description. Go check them out and yeah, support those guys. Very cool. And yeah, enjoy the video. So yeah, let's do it. Let's get it. Alright guys, for this to work, you're going to need obviously a Shopify store and a Paystack account. So let's start with the Shopify side. So right here you can see I've got a product here on my Shopify store. It's a Huawei Nova and it is for sale for 3,099 Rand. And what I want to do is I want to add a payment gateway to my store. So right, we go to our dashboard here in Shopify, we scroll down all the way to settings, easy as that, and we go to payments. Now here in payments there's quite a few different options here that you guys can choose and select and so on and so on. So what you can do here is to scroll down to payment providers and go ahead and say choose a provider, scroll down and say Paystack right here. Right, so now you can see transaction fees is 0. That's awesome. So let's go to account information, and now we need to enter a public key and also need to enter a secret key. So now we have to come back to our dashboard here at Paystack. So by the way guys, if you're not subscribed, or if you're not if you're still on the fence with a payment provider in South Africa or anywhere in Africa, to be honest, this is an awesome payment gateway. The next video I'll quickly run through all of these settings here on the side. You can create all kinds of cool payment pages and product storefronts and whatever, which is really helpful, so that you don't even have to, you don't need a website to actually use Paystack. So anyway, but if you have a Shopify store, let's go down to settings. Here at your settings you'll see API keys and webhooks, and now you'll see API configuration live mode. Here's your test mode. So obviously if you want to do a test on your store, this is the secret keys you run for the test. This is your live. Also make sure this is ticked here on the top right to make sure your account is not in test mode. It is actually in live mode. All right. So let's go back to API keys and webhooks. So live secret key. Here we go. It's net password here and confirm. Right. So this is my secret key. Make sure to copy that. By the way, guys, these are just test keys, so can't do anything with it. Just remember, if you go back to Paystack, the secret key is on the top, and on the Shopify it's at the bottom. Just make sure to paste it in here, and then you go back to public key and go ahead and copy that and go back to your public key and paste that. And all you need to do right now is to go down and say reactivate. Yours will say activate Paystack, because I already did this, run through this process once, so that's why it's mine saying reactivate. Yours is just going to say activate. So now guys, that is literally it. That's how easy it is, or easy it was, to actually integrate your Shopify store with your payment gateway Paystack. So now if we run a quick test, this is the downside, I guess, from Shopify. You can't really see if it works 100% properly, but I can promise you that everything will be 100% fine from here on out. If I go ahead and say buy it now to see if it tests, it just gives me this page here that says checking isn't available. That is because I'm on a trial account, and that's why I can't proceed with the whole ordering of the product. But as soon as you go over from trial to a paid subscription, like over here, then you can basic Shopify. If you go to yearly plan, you save quite a few bucks. There's $23.20. But anyway, that is more on the Shopify side. So that's how easy it was to actually integrate your Shopify store with a payment gateway like Paystack, which is a pretty cool payment gateway if you ask me. Alright guys, so that was it. For more videos like this about your online business, online stores, creating blogs, please consider subscribing and hit that notification for future updates. You won't regret it. And anyway guys, thanks. Be safe out there, right? Be safe, take care, and I'll check in soon with you guys in a week or so. Cheers.